And as per the IMD now, Cyclone Nisarg may intensify into a severe cyclonic storm in the next 12 hours. The cyclone is expected to make a landfall near Alibag, near Mumbai, and will affect coastal areas of Maharashtra and South Gujarat as well. And in the next 12 hours, we are expecting it to, in fact, in a way, turn into a severe cyclonic wave as well, even as the NDRF have now confirmed that they have about 10 of their teams on standby mode in the state of Maharashtra itself, and all its coastlines have also been put on high alert as well. In fact, earlier today, we also spoke to the NDRF as well as the IMD chiefs, and they have to say that all the kinds of preparations have been made to make sure that the situation can be handled. But before that, let's go across to my colleague Niranjan, who's also joining us live. So Niranjan, the latest updates coming in is that from the IMD, Cyclone Nisarg may intensify into a severe cyclonic storm in the next 12 hours now.
Well, that's correct. And if you look at the sort of reports that are emerging about the landfall now, initially, of course, nobody expected the kind of this scale of the cyclone that we are now hearing has now, been termed a severe cyclonic storm. But let me just give you a quick idea about what we can expect in the course of the next few hours. And I think you're getting two live shots that we're beaming from different parts of Mumbai. Now, one visual showing you how there is, there are deep clouds, dark clouds across Mumbai. And I think you're getting the shot right now, the aerial view over Mumbai. And the other view of, from where the cyclone is going to enter Mumbai. And I can tell you that as of now, there is a slight drizzle around Mumbai. And it hasn't developed into a severe cyclonic storm yet, but it is expected anytime today to intensify. Now, that's the official version that we have. And I know that not just Maharashtra government, but also Gujarat is keeping a close track of it. In Maharashtra especially, it's intensified a few minutes back. And it's currently located about 200 to 300 kilometers from Mumbai as a severe cyclonic storm. And the IMD has warned that Mumbai will be heavily affected by Cyclone Nisarga. So that's why across Mumbai, especially the state government and many agencies who are involved in the operation, there is a deployment of NDRF team in Maharashtra in view of the impending severe cyclone for necessary preventive actions by the state. The NDRF, chief, who was also on Republic a few hours back, SN Pradhan, the Director General of National Disaster Response Force, his teams are currently at Palghar, the National Disaster Response Force, that's NDRF. His team is also observing the situation very closely, taking stock in view of the impending severe cyclone. Now, over Mumbai, there's a slight drizzle, but all agencies, the civic body here and the state government and companies alike, across the board, are taking measures to ensure that there is not much damage. If you look at because obviously comparisons will be made about how Cyclone Umphan also affected, and the scale of devastation, especially in Bengal, is something that you don't want to and you can't afford to, of course, to be complacent at this time. So everybody who's involved in the operation, I'm hoping that you're getting a live shot. Now that's the live shot, that's the cloud cover. There's a slight drizzle, you can see that in the visuals as well. And we're hoping that with all the measures in place, with the NDRF involved, deployed, hoping that there is not much of a damage that is seen. Hopefully it will pass and pass soon. The deep depression in the Arabian Sea, of course, has intensified into a cyclonic storm, a severe cyclonic storm, and will cross the North Maharashtra and South Gujarat coast by latest tomorrow, June 3rd. That's the IMD, which came out with an official version some time back. Now, a cyclone Nisarga is expected to hit Mumbai anytime now, Thane and other parts of Maharashtra. The National Disaster Response Force has placed 10 teams on standby. That's 10 teams that are in place. And the BMC here, that's the Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation, has kept its disaster management control room and all necessary departments on high alert. All 24 ward offices have been ordered to relocate people living in flood-prone areas to nearby schools. So no chance is being taken at all. So the live pictures right now over Mumbai, we're giving you an aerial shot, two aerial views that we're giving you, two camera outputs, and only Republic TV will give you such an output with the latest updates. So we are watching the situation closely. We will keep giving you the live reports at every hour. Our cameras are recording these visuals, and we will continue to beam them live to you. We're keeping our viewers and all of India updated on the situation here. Mumbai, of course, bracing up completely to face Cyclone Nisarga. Only 250 COVID-19 patients. Now, let me tell you, that's an update. Nearly 250 COVID-19 patients are being shifted from our facility at the Bandra Kurla complex. I reported from there earlier today. So from that facility, 250 COVID-19 patients are being shifted from the facility at BKC to the COVID center at the NSCI center in Worli. We've reported from there as well. Now, the MMRDA's Bandra Kurla complex facility is a field hospital that has been built under a German tent, while the NSCI is within a massive door stadium. Now, these are some of the updates that we're getting from different reports, from both our bureaus and also the news reports that are coming, out on the media. Now, that's a live shot. If you look at the city view aerial shot, you will see a little bit of a depression in the center of your frames. I hope you're getting these visuals, Richa, because there's a live shot of the situation that is developing over Mumbai. Now, so this will be the shot that will tell you. Now, on one side, you have the entire city view, and on the other camera, on our live view shot, you will get the full update. That's the C shot. We have a CT shot and we have a C shot. So at every point of this coverage, we will get our viewers the pictures and the live reports as this Cyclone Nisarga passes Mumbai. Now, this will be the biggest coverage because we are getting you updates from every hour. So stay tuned to the coverage. These are some of the updates that I have, some of the pictures and the updates I'm getting you, Richa. We can get some more updates on what's happening in Mumbai city. Let me tell you, over Mumbai city, over Mumbai city, the state government is taking, complete precautions. Now they're taking, whatever precautions they can. Let me also tell you that, the chief minister also has been tweeting, and the Navy included, several, the Navy. We have visuals also of the Navy getting out the floater boats so that they can be ready for any sort of a situation over Mumbai. The Indian Navy is also on standby in Mankurd on Cyclone Nisarga. I'm getting you some live updates, and I think that's the best. That there's a lot that we will bring to you in the course of the coverage on Cyclone Nisarga. Let me tell you that as far as the news updates are concerned, Indian Navy teams are on standby in Mankurd on Cyclone Nisarga, and not just that. Let me tell you that the state government, you had Aditya Thackeray, who tweeted a few hours back. Let me just tell you what he tweeted. He said this morning he had a detailed review of the preparations to handle the incoming Cyclone Nisarga with the Municipal Commissioner of Mumbai and all AMCs, DMCs and ACs for all wards. While we fight COVID, we are prepping ourselves to also deal with the cyclone. My colleague and Guardian Minister of Mumbai City, Aslam Sheikh, also has been taking updates and reviews as we prep for this. We have to safeguard our citizens and the city at large. All the wards have begun the pre-cyclone preps, and I can tell you there's an update. And while we broadcast from here, I'm sorry, I'm hoping you're getting that shot. Yeah, that's the shot. This just a quick news update now.
Yes.
The wind speeds are picking up. In the last 15 minutes, I think 10 minutes that I've been live with you, Richa, the wind speeds are picking up. I can feel the wind speeds picking up. And this is happening as we speak. It's a live update, and I can feel, apart from the drizzle, of course, drizzle has stopped now, and you can see that in both the cameras. There is no drizzle, but the drizzle apart, the wind speeds are picking up. So you see the shot, you see the clouds moving over Mumbai. Can you see that shot, Richa? The shot that we're getting live over Mumbai.
Yes, Ranjan, we can see it.
Yeah, so the cloud cover, there is much more brightness now. The clouds are passing. And in an hour or two, we're expecting the cyclone to just gather pace, especially over Mumbai city. Now, telling you the news updates that I have, the different news updates as far as the preparedness is concerned. The Maharashtra government has said that the chief minister has also held review meetings, and all necessary agencies are on standby to meet emergencies during the cyclone Nisarga. And and are preparing constantly for it. And the Maharashtra government also saying that they request all citizens to follow the instructions of all the local authorities strictly as we prepare for the landfall of the cyclone. More do's and don'ts shall be officially released. Yes.
In fact, Niranjan, please stay with us. We'll also take a look at this report filed by our colleague Alicia from the Worli Seaface, taking stock of the situation on ground. Let's take a look. All right, these are the latest visuals coming in from the Worli Seaface in Mumbai. And even as we speak right now, viewers, the latest update coming in as per the IMD is that cyclone Nisarg may be intensifying into a severe cyclonic storm in the next 12 hours now. The cyclone is expected to make a landfall near Alibag, near Mumbai, and will affect coastal areas of Maharashtra and South Gujarat as well. In fact, shortly from now, we'll also play out that report filed by my colleague Alicia from the Worli Seaface.
मुंबई हो, पालघर हो, थाने, इन जगह को रेड अलर्ट के तौर पर जो चेतावनी दी गई थी, अब उसका असर कहीं ना कहीं पर दिखता हुआ नजर आ रहा है। बारिश जो है वो मुंबई में, जहां पर हम मौजूद है, फिलहाल तस्वीरें हम आपको वर्ली सीफेस के दिखा रहे हैं। जो प्रभाव है पानी का, हाई टाइड दिखाई देता हुआ नजर आ रहा है, क्योंकि लगातार भले ही बारिश, लाइट बारिश शुरू हो चुकी है, पर कहीं ना कहीं एक प्रभाव जो है अब फिर से मुंबई के जो नदी किनारे है वो दिखाई देता हुआ नजर आ रहा है। इससे पहले हमने तस्वीरें गिरगांव चौपाटी की दिखाई थी, और अब ये वर्ली सीफेस का है। किस प्रभाव पर पानी जो है वो चलता हुआ नजर आए, हाई टाइड जो है एक तरफा यहाँ पर की तस्वीर पे दिखाई दे रही है। फिलहाल एनडीआरएफ टीम की ओर से अब 15 टीम जो है वो महाराष्ट्र में डिप्लॉय की गई है। 15 से ज्यादा जो है कुछ वहां पर स्टैंड बाय में भी रखी गई है, और खुद मुंबई में 5 से 6 एनडीआरएफ की टीम जो है तैनात कर दी गई है। सभी लोगों को एक कहीं ना कहीं पर एक अलर्ट मैसेज दी गई है कि वो अपने घरों से बाहर ना निकले। पर वर्ली सीफेस की तस्वीरें हम कुछ और दिख रहे हैं। जैसे ही यहाँ पर बारिश आता हुआ दिखाई दिया, लोग जो है अपने घरों से बाहर निकलकर वर्ली सीफेस पर आते हुए दिखाई दे रहे हैं। जो सीरियसनेस लोगों के बीच में होने चाहिए, जो चेतावनी के तौर पर दी गई थी जो चीजें, अब लोग इसको बिल्कुल भी सीरियसली लेते हुए नजर नहीं आ रहे हैं। और इस साइक्लोन का जो अलर्ट खुद आईएमडी की ओर से दी गई थी, पर उसके बावजूद लोग अपने घरों से बाहर निकलकर इसी मौसम का कहीं ना कहीं पर खुद एक एंजॉय लेने आए। पर वो यही नहीं समझ रहे हैं कि महाराष्ट्र जहां पर एक तरफा कोविड-19 के कहर से लड़ता हुआ नजर आ रहा है, और अब दूसरा जहां ये साइक्लोन निसर्ग कहीं ना कहीं एक तबाही मचा सकता है। कल का दिन यानी 3 जून को एकदम हाई अलर्ट पर रखा गया महाराष्ट्र में, खास तौर पर पालघर, थाने, मुंबई और जो सिंधुदुर्ग, इन सभी जगहों को हाई अलर्ट पर रखा है एनडीआरएफ की टीम। साथ ही मुंबई की बात करें तो बीएमसी डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट, मुंबई पुलिस, इन सभी को अलर्ट पर रखा गया है। एक कहर जहां खुद साइक्लोन निसर्ग की बात की जा रही है, कहीं ना कहीं अगर ये ज्यादातर बढ़ जाता है, क्योंकि जो स्पीड बताई जा रही है 110-120 किलोमीटर पर आवर के तौर पर जो विंड है जो टकराएगा इस समुंदर से, कहीं ना कहीं एक खुद तबाही मचाने की आशंका तक खुद भारतीय मौसम विभाग की ओर से जताई गई है। फिलहाल प्रिकॉशनरी के तौर पर खुद एनडीआरएफ की टीम मौजूद है, तैनात है। महाराष्ट्र सरकार खुद लगातार इस पर सर्वे करते हुए नजर आ रही है। अथॉरिटी, प्रशासन, इन सभी से बातचीत उनके लगातार जारी है, और किस तरीके से इस साइक्लोन को फेस करें, इस पर लगातार रिव्यू मीटिंग चलती है।